Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Settings and the terminal. This lets you see changes live. First, open the command palette and choose Preferences. Open Settings, JSON, so you can edit the exact key. Next, open the integrated terminal with Control+ so you have the terminal focused and visible. Once done, keep the settings JSON and terminal side by side. This helps you immediately verify font adjustments. Make sure you use the user settings scope, not workspace, unless you want the change limited to a project. Now modify the terminal font size directly in Settings JSON. Find or add the line Terminal. Integrated. Font size. 14 and change 14 to your desired pixel size. This affects only the integrated terminal. You can also set Terminal. Integrated. Font family to specify a font and enable ligatures or clearer glyphs. Once you save the file, VS Code applies changes instantly. Make small increments to avoid unreadable sizes. If text still looks off, adjust Terminal. Integrated. Line height and terminal. Integrated. Letter spacing to fine-tune spacing. Finish by saving and confirming the terminal reflects the new font size. Focus the terminal and type a command to inspect clarity. If nothing changes, make sure the setting is in User Settings or remove any workspace override. Sometimes themes or extensions can override settings. When characters render poorly, try disabling GPU acceleration with Terminal. Integrated. GPU acceleration. Off and restart VS Code. If problems persist, restart the terminal instance or VS Code entirely. That usually clears caching or rendering issues and ensures your size update takes effect.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.